Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to give you a small haul, and also I'm going to give you a little bit of what I purchased in my haul that I want to put also in this space. And also I want to show you something else that I did to the space to pretty much kind of elevate it as well. So we're going to get into this haul, guys. So I'm going to start out by saying thank you guys so much, my new followers that came on. Thank you so much for joining these family. You won't regret this. Thank you for your support. And to my oldies, you know you're rocking with me all the way, and I greatly appreciate that. So let's get into this haul so I can let you guys see what I have done and also what I have purchased. So I want to start out by, because I told you guys that I am decorating and redoing or getting ready to redo the main bedroom, but I wanted to do it in a cozy but warm and not so much of a female, just kind of add a little bit of masculinity in there, you know, because of my husband and all. But I love this color, guys. Now on the camera it may strike you as a burgundy light, but it's also it's like a dark mauve color. And I got these stems here. I got these from Kirtland. I thought they would be so gorgeous. And I got two of them that I got to place in the space as well. I thought they were so gorgeous, and the leaves look so surreal. Yeah, guys. And I also got these for 40% off at Kirtland's. So moving right on, and also to go along with that, because I'm getting like different pieces. Well, I did had a coupon from Bath and Body Works. So they had the candle and everything that I love as well. So I also got these. This is a spicy apple. It's a teddy. So, and it smells so good. And it is the one wick. And I got two of them. And you can see, dealing with that, they are perfect guys, perfect. I love them. And with these, I got one of them. I had a coupon. This was $16.95, and you could get one and then get the other one for half off. So I got this one. Then I also purchased another one, the two candles for that. So I am in search of different pieces for that as well. Okay, I'm back. That was my husband calling. But anywho, that is the aesthetic that I want to do in my primary bedroom. And I also went to Ross and I found these beautiful pillows, guys, with the turkey on them. And it followed, it's every bit of my aesthetic. And these was $14.99, and I have two of those. I have two of these. Very beautiful. Two of them. Let's see, make sure I got them. Okay. I have two of these, and they were $14.99 each. thought it was so gorgeous. And they have like the tassel all the way around. I thought it was very, very beautiful. And guys, and I got this and I thought it was so gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at this, guys. This beautiful cutting board, $6.99. I thought was so cute. I thought this was so beautiful. And guys, hold up for 1 second. I have this item, guys. Look at that, guys. And I got this from this came out of, where did I get this from? I want to say I forgot what I got this from. I think I got this out of, yes, I know. I got this out of Target. And this going into my kitchen, oh my God, that is going to be so gorgeous. I think this is so cute, guys. Yes, this is going to be so cute. So yes, I got that out of Target. So I'm gonna just sit that there. And also, guys, I also went and I got me my paint for the bedroom, and it's the Bare Ultra paint, and it is the this paint is called, oh, let's see what name I got it on. It is the Spanish lace, and it's like a cream-like taupe color paint. So yes, I got that to start on the bedroom. So I wanted to get that, and I'm just trying to find the color that I really want for my accent wall. And also when I was in, and I purchased this out of Home Depot. And also, guys, Home Depot has some beautiful, beautiful floor mats. And I got 2 of these, and I thought they was versatile, and I thought they were so cute. Since they're so big, I'm gonna just show one of them. But look at that, guys. And this one say gather, and it has like that green cup with like the wreath in the middle. And also, if you want to just turn it and just to do the basic color on the back, because they are versatile and they are huge. Yes, I think this was about a 12 by 60 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, guys, this is so beautiful to go in my kitchen, because I'm doing those colors that I am trying to pull out. You know, that green is so beautiful. And I just got some, I said, let me see, I got the thing here. And I got it was a 20, it's a 20 by 36, where I got 12 from. And it's a reversible, and they call it the Wreath Reversible Comfort mat. You know, you can do it indoor. It's an indoor use, and it's very easy to clean. They have that in this by Home Exit Holiday, which if you want to purchase these, they are at Home Depot, and they have several different ones at Home Depot. And then I also got, you know, my roller brush and the paintbrush as well from Home Depot. Matter of fact, I got the 2 of the brushes from Home Depot. But yeah, with those rugs, they do have those rugs in different kind of the fall accent rugs if you are looking for any accent rugs. So guys, I am going to let you guys see what I have done in the space since the last video. I think it was the video before my walkthrough at Kirtland's. It was my living room and dining room decorate with me, so you can go back and look at that. But I just wanted to add more to this space, and it is beautiful, guys. So let's get into showing you what I will be doing with these items, and also show you what I have done in this space since the last video. Okay guys, what I did was I had some scones, but these scones here are like wire scones, but I was like, no, I'm gonna just do the aesthetic of it. That's all that I want to do to this. And what I did was I did this on the wall, and they are so very beautiful, and I will be giving you a close-up of that. And then over here, I just added a few pumpkins that come down the wall to make it more cozy inside of the space. But I thought that adding these scones to the wall with my paintings would add more to the wall, because I had like space in the wall and I had enough room there to add it. But I just want to give you a closer view on how it actually looks, and I will give you that in just a second. But I now want to show you guys what I will be doing with those pillows.
Okay guys, you can see here that I have these pillows, and I am placing them in my dining room. And I just need two that I was going to place on the end of each chair. So I'm going to place one here, and I think it's so gorgeous, guys. Yes, and then I will get the other one, and I'm going to place it on the far end here. Yes, look at that, guys, with the color and everything is coming together, guys. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek of how all of these look together. So let's take a watch. Okay guys, these curtains, oh, I love these pleated curtains. I did not tell you about these when I was doing the tour, but guys, these are a 60 by 93. Love them. These wall art, love them as well. Where I place them out in the space, they are so beautiful. And guys, let me know what you think about the scones on the wall as well. I love you. I think they elevated the space. They made the space just all come together, guys. But these curtains are so beautiful, guys. I just had to let you know I got these from Amazon. These pillows in the space, the color and everything just come together so beautiful. It brings the space so cozy and warm, guys. It's so inviting. It says fall. So let me know what you guys think in the comments about the pillows, the curtains, and also the scones on the wall. I would love to hear from you guys. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button. And also hit that notification bell twice so you will be notified when I am uploading new content, guys. New content, guys. So you won't miss out on all the things that I will be doing in my home. Until the next video, guys, be good or be good at it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye now.